This is the map editor for the fantasy puzzle game. The tile field has 10 by 10 tiles in size. In this game, there is a certain random or fixed mini-game associated to each tile. The tile field has a certain terrain type associated to it depending on our choice. The tile selector features an animated light effect, which is rather demanding regarding CPU usage. To allow for a better distribution of elements in the tile field, and therefore a more beautifully arranged scenery, each tile can have two entities associated to it, and each entity can be multiplied in different arrangements. Of course, the largest part of the possible combinations yield absurd results, so we have to experiment to find the right ones. In this demonstration, I will be arranging a small cemetery to showcase how this editor works. Near the end of the video, I will load the full scenery that I ever arranged for the game. Since the elements drawn in the field are small, you may have a bad time in distinguishing them, especially if you are watching this demonstration from a small device. This is because this software is native of desktop hardware, and also of older hardware. Now I will load the full scenery that I ever arranged for the game. In this editor, only a single file name can be used to store the sceneries, so we must be very careful to not overwrite a previous work. Unfortunately, in this demonstration, the program is apparently not loading the corresponding terrain type, as this scenery was originally made with a grass terrain. This is because there is a bug in the program. After I checked this, I found that I had forgot to update the corresponding combo box with the value of the variable which stores the terrain type. This is all for now. Thank you for watching this demonstration.